So this video is all about how ads look in Google. So when Google displays an ad to a customer, it can take various forms, and these forms are generally referred to as ad formats. Now, I'm not going to go through them all in this video, but the formats that are available to you and that Google will show to you will depend on the campaign type. For example, if you're choosing search or if you're using display, and also depending on what goal you've selected earlier on in the process. For example, looking for calls or looking for clicks on your website or whatever. So in this video, we'll focus on the two most popular ad formats. And I suppose this is within the search network, and they are responsive search ads and call only ads. So responsive search ads, or RSAs as they're sometimes referred to, allow advertisers to upload multiple images and multiple headlines and descriptions. And then it uses Google's machine learning to optimize the ad versions, and that's all done in real time. And I suppose the goal is to increase engagement or click-through rate. So Google uses the machine learning to work out which is the best combination of headline with image with description, and it gradually learns which is performing best. And over time, the system will customize the ad versions based on the user's search behavior and device preferences and other signals out there, and it will then produce the best one. So I'll just give a quick demonstration here. So I'm just in my Google Ads account, and I'm going to click on ads, and then I'm going to click on the plus sign, which is create ad, and it's asking me then which type I want. So responsive search, responsive display, which is quite similar, and then a call ad. So I'll just start off with the responsive search ad. It's asking you then which campaign you want it to be part of, and you choose whichever campaign it is. And I think I'm just going to create this one here, and then I've got an ad group. So to save time, I filled in a lot of the information already. So it's asking us, first of all, what is the final URL? So what web address do you want people to land on when they've clicked on the ad? So I've just copied and pasted in here a page from Jameson Whiskey that I looked at in other examples. So I've just put in that one in there. Now, you'll notice here in the little sample ad that's coming up, this is jamesonwhiskey.com/en-ie/celebrate with us, I think is the full bit in there. But here you can see over here in the sample, it's saying jamesonwhiskey.com/Christmas party/2023. In reality, that isn't the web address, but this is how it's being displayed. And you can see for a human being, that looks like, oh, Christmas parties 2023. That looks really appealing. And so down here, the display path, that's where I put that in. So this actually isn't physically what they will end up on. Up here is what they'll end up on, but this is what they see. And human beings will look at that and think, oh, Christmas party 2023, that's perfect. That's what I want. So down here, you put in, you've got 15 characters in the first half of it, and then 15 characters in the second half. And I just went with that. And you can see how that works up here. Now, the next thing they're suggesting, depending on what, on a previous account, I was doing mountain climbing, and that's why it's saying that actually these might be appropriate keywords for you. But you could use good, strong keywords in your headlines. So the idea is that you put in multiple headlines and see which one works best for you. Okay, so celebrate Christmas at Jameson, party nights at the distillery, venue hire Christmas 2023. And then you could go on and put in multiple other headlines, and Google will pick out the one that works best for you. Going down further on, I've put in a few sample descriptions. Sip, savour and celebrate the holidays at Jameson. Book now. You've got a maximum of 90 characters. That's the first one. You get 4 possible descriptions. Raise a glass to festive fun at Jameson Distillery. Book today. And then there's 2 other ones I've put in here as well. So what Google will do is it'll mix and match the headlines that you put in at the beginning with the descriptions and find out which is working best for you. So if we go back up here, you can see here This, for example, Celebrate Christmas, that's one of the headlines. And then and this is another of the descriptions, and you can see down here the different bits and pieces in there. Okay, so it's all, and then as you scroll through it, you can see different variations of the ads that it will automatically pick. And you can look at it on mobile, and you can also look at it on desktop. So you've got desktop and you've got mobile, and you can see which one it is. Now you can see here that I've got in some site links that are listed out, and you can normally you have to put in up to 4 site links, and you pick ones that you think might be most appropriate. So if you scroll down, here are the site links, and I've put these in already just to make it easy for you. So if you want to edit it, you can just click on the little pencil in here, and you can see the different ones that I have in here. So this is a distillery tour, and that's actually the link. So this is what it will say as a link, but this is actually the link to the page, and then you can edit in all the different ones. Okay, so you can see contact us, how Jameson is made, our history and distillery tour, and then you put in the different actual site links that are appropriate for that. So this time we're going to take a look at call ads. So I've just clicked on ads here, and I click on the plus sign, and this time you'd click on call ad. But again, I've done the typing. And so here you can see that I've just selected Ireland. I've put in a fictional phone number, and this is the actual URL. And again, we've got the display URL, and you can see how that's displayed up here. The same as the previous one, we've got our headlines, and you can have site visits as well, and different options. And again, Google will automatically select those. Now, I'm not doing the last one, which is the Google network ads, but it's exactly the same, except you'd add in different options. For example, you could include images. And again, the real advantage of these responsive ads is that automatically Google will adjust the ad sizes and the text. So anybody that is on a mobile will see one version of an ad, and somebody on a laptop will see a different version, and it will automatically adjust for you.